us there to supervise our children. I don't have eyes on the back of my head. And with that, we are clear to get out of here. Go ahead and wave goodbye to all those nice people on the top. Wave goodbye, wave goodbye. And wave goodbye to the naughty ones too. Yeah, they also matter. Anyways, I got a lot of fans. My biggest fans are actually right there. So wave goodbye to them. They're not people. They are rude. That's already good. Anyways, my name is Skipper Nick and welcome to Jingle Cruise. Skipper Nick, but it is that time of year, so Saint Nick. How about that? If you have any personal belongings, if they happen to fall in the river, raise your hand. I'll raise my hand, and we'll both wave goodbye to whatever it is, but so we don't get to that point. Yeah. We are now on the Amazon, where, as you can see, it is raining 365 days a year, which is almost every day for my calculations. On the left-hand side, we have the butterflies out tonight. Very nice. I like to say their wingspan ranges anywhere from 12 inches to a whopping 1 foot. Yeah, I like to call those guys the rulers of the jungle, true monarchs. At least in my opinion. Now, if you don't already know or haven't been introduced before, on your left-hand side, this is Inspiration Falls. And some people ask me, Skipper Nick, why do you call it that? And I say, well, stop, look, and listen, take it all in, because if you're drinking up today, it'll inspire you to go. Go deeper in the jungle, that is. Yeah, sorry, I'm looking at that last part. I like to say that's my #1 joke. We're picking up what I'm putting down there. Yeah. Alright, well, my manager actually requires me to make these trips somewhat educational, so I'm going to point out some of the rare and interesting plant species we have here in the jungle. On our right-hand side, we have some hibiscus plants. Right below them, some low biscuit plants. In the water, there's actually sea biscuits. The bark on that tree, that is dog biscuits. And if you look all the way in the back, you'll actually see a backstage. But that, my friends, is none of your biscuits. So, let's keep on going here like that. Alright, we're now in the Congo. Let's see how far we can go. On our right-hand side, we got boats, baits, and bites, where you can usually rent one of those canoes, but something must have scared them away. Oh boy! That's a very rare breed of snake. It starts with a P. Anybody know what it could be? No? How about plastic? Yes. I assumed it would be a partridge in a pear tree, but a python in a pear tree, so whatever. Anyways, oh boy, we're now at my camp. And I'll tell you, my in-laws came early. You know what the difference between in-laws and outlaws is? Outlaws are wanted. Yeah, get a little crazy. At least they flipped over my truck. Yeah, seats don't get wet anymore, I guess. So, anyways. Alright, from the looks of it, we are now on the Nile. Now they say this Nile is actually the longest river in the world. It goes on for miles and miles and miles, and if you wouldn't believe me, you'd still be in Nile. Africa, pay attention. That's alright now. Anyways, that's the second most dangerous creature in the jungle, but first is right there. That's his mother-in-law. But I taught him a trick. Watch this. Ready? Speak! Now speak in Spanish. Now spray the boat! No, we're still workshopping that one. We're going, never mind. Anyways, now that you're here, I may as well ask, have any of you seen the Jungle Cruise movie? Yes, well, if you know anything about it, there's the rock right there. Look at that as we pass by. Yeah, a lot of people tend to take that one for granted, but I always point it out. One of those part of our attraction, one of the boulder spectacles. Anyways, we're now in the Great African Belt. We're in a variety of species. Spotted long-necked cheetahs, dog-looking things, 97 Chevy Impalas, and lions, as they have a specialty dish tonight. Striped reindeer on the rocks. Wow, that guy looks dead tired. Let's let him rest in peace, at least for right now. Alrighty, well, look what we got coming up on our right-hand side, guys. I'll tell you, I don't think I've ever seen anything like this. Like, this is crazy. Yeah, there's like 1 million rocks on that beach. If you look at that, whoa, that is something. And there's definitely nothing else going on there. If anybody asks you at the dock, please, for the love of God, say no. It's been a long day. I don't feel like doing that much paperwork for that crew. That's wild. Now, that guy on the bottom, his name is a harness. That rhino is trying to poke a harness. Real knee slapper there, yeah. Anyways, we got two of my favorite crocodiles out tonight. We got Smiley on the left and his little sister, Ginger. Now, please, don't get too close to Ginger, because Ginger's mad. Yeah, she's a real tough cookie. You know that. Alrighty, now we have Schweitzer Glacier, but we're on Florida. This is Schweitzer Falls. At one time, I think the last brand then got lost, so I'll just skip the break, I guess. Alright, well, now that you guys are here, I may as well tell you how I landed this job, and honestly, It's pretty plain to see. All I had to do was take a crash course in this place called Hathaway Brown. Now, most of the time on this job, I tend to just wing it. And again, career never really took off the way I thought it would, but that's the tail end of that story. Don't worry about that. Let's see where we're at here. Alright, well, we got some wreckage, and we are now in Vegas. Oh boy. Kids, if you have any marbles on you, keep those close. Hippos do look crazy. Oh boy, they're coming from the boat. You know what? I got a good idea. I know to scare these guys away. Watch this. Bang. See? Works like a charm every time. Wow. Anyways, now we're coming by here. I'll tell you a funny story. One time, this guy stood up on my boat. He said, "Skipper Nick, your job is literally so easy that I think one of those monkeys could do it." I said, "That's very funny, but nice try, but those are apes, my friend." Yeah, you thought he had me, little bit thing, you know. Well, they did have bananas. I'm probably going to get we split on out of there, so here we're at. Alrighty. Well, we got my crates, and I told these guys earlier not to mess with my crates. It's not a great idea, but I guess I might bug them, so it is what it is. You know, my butterflies got out. Butterflies are just not what they used to be. Not a brewer. Anyways, when they say you might go underwater, you're not lying. You're not going to underwater. It's the wonder of the world, the backside of the water. Yeah, backside of water. Very simple part. That backside of water, at least to me, I like to call that O2H. Yeah, that's right, guys. I periodically make chemistry jokes, so I'm in my element out here. I've even got some good oxygen and potassium jokes too, but if you know anything about those, they're kind of just, okay. Yeah, sodium jokes. Nah, I don't have any. Sorry. Anyways, wow, you see those presents? We are now going into Santa's workshop, so please, this is going to be really cool. Your cameras and phones, get some pictures of them. Don't worry. They've got their trunks on. So it's all good, trust me. Look at this. Let me stop right here. Look at on our right side. Isn't that sweet? Look at that baby. Under a full moon. Oh, so nice. Alrighty. Well, hopefully these guys don't decide to spray us. We're pretty much wet enough here. People on that last trip, they thought they were talking about Splash Mountain was done. So good day. Oh, I know. Should be alright. Yeah, there's some dry humor for you. Alrighty, looks like we're back on the Amazon, and it is here I like to say we are entering onto the dangerous and most perilous part of our journey, the return to civilization, so please watch out. On our left-hand side, you'll see coming up a place called Trader Sam's Gift Shop. Now, funny story about this place, when we opened up in the 30s, it was our lost and found. Eventually, Disney took us over, and shocker, they turned it into a gift shop. Yeah, people know there needs to be one at the end of every ride. That's it. Is what it is. We're going to go ahead and head back into dock very soon. Now, let me just orient you into things, because I know it can be kind of confusing. I'll put some lights back on. On our left-hand side, or on the left, you'll see one dock. On the right-hand side, you'll see another dock. It is a paradox. I know it's kind of confusing, but you're going to get out on the right-hand side. On the dock you're going to get out, you'll see two skippers in a very darker-looking khaki. It's waterlogged. It's really in right now. That's a pair of dorks. Don't worry about them. They'll just help you get out. Well, thank you guys for riding. Just remain seated until we come to a full stop. Keep your hands on feet and legs out of the vehicle at all times. Parents supervise your children. Well, like I was saying earlier, I appreciate you guys riding. I know it was a little bit. You've been outstanding, but as I bring this boat to a stop, I'm now going to need you to be outstanding right there on the dock. Alrighty, guys. Enjoy the rest of your night. Thank you so much.